Hello there. In this lesson, we're going to be looking at the structure of an atom. And at the end of the lesson, you would have known the gross features of an atom, atomic mass, number of protons, number of neutrons, mass numbers, relative atomic mass and relative molecular mass based on the carbon-12 scale, characteristics and nature of matter, particulate nature of matter, physical and chemical changes, electronic configuration, orbitals, and rules and principles governing the filling of these orbitals. And we'll also be looking at questions from past questions in the UTME and the SSCE in bid to help you in preparation for the forthcoming examinations.